Sell on your Odoo e-commerce website and want to connect Metapixel to track user actions and get measurable advertising results? The Facebook Pixel e-commerce tracking app by Garazd Creation makes this possible and allows getting website events and providing them directly to Meta Events Manager. The app offers the following advantages: an extended list of tracking events for e-commerce, internal logging of tracking events, Meta cookie consent integrated with Odoo cookie bar, user-provided data for advanced matching, pixel activation. Firstly, go to the website settings and in the Enhanced Website Tracking section, enable the Activate Tracking option. To test your website tracking and view tracked events in the browser console, also temporarily activate the Debug Logging feature. Now, add a new tracking service by clicking the Manage Tracking Services link in the website settings, or go to the Configuration, Tracking, Services menu. If you have a multi-website environment, specify the one you need. Select the service type as Facebook Pixel and paste your Pixel ID to the key field. Watch the related video to find out how to get the Pixel ID from the Meta Events Manager. The link is in the description. Cookie consent settings. The app includes cookie consent management for Metapixel that is integrated with the standard Odoo cookie bar. To use this feature, activate the cookie bar. Please note that you need to deactivate the Block Tracking Third-Party Services feature, otherwise website tracking will be disabled. By default, all Meta cookie consents are granted. To change this and revoke consent by default for your website visitors, enable the Facebook Pixel Consent is Revoked by Default option. Now, Meta cookie consent is granted after the visitor clicks I agree and is revoked if the visitor clicks on Only Essentials. Tracking service settings. After adding a tracking service, specify the type of identifier for your products. If you use products with attributes and variants, select Product Variant ID in the Item Type field. If not, choose Product Template ID. One more setting is the category type. It determines which product category is provided to Meta, an e-commerce public category or an internal product category. Select the desired type or use the default value, public category. The next option is the lead value. It's a monetary value of the lead generation event and should be set according to your estimation. Tracking logs. The app has one more useful feature: internal logs. After its activation, the internal logs collect all e-commerce tracking events in Odoo. These logs can also be used internally for analysis and monitoring of visitor actions on your website. To view logs, go to the Website Configuration Tracking Logs menu or click the Logs button at the top of the form. Since tracking logs may contain some sensitive user data, such as IP address, user agent, etc., the app provides a mechanism for clearing them. Go to Website Settings and, in the Enhanced Website Tracking section, specify the period after which this data will be cleaned. The default period is 30 days. If you prefer to remove tracking logs after the specified period completely, enable the Unlink Logs After Period option. Product search. As an extra bonus, tracking logs allows you to see how your online customers search for products in your catalog. Search terms are included in logs along with products that were displayed as search results. By analyzing them, you can include the used search terms in your product names or descriptions. In case customers use uncommon product names, abbreviations, and terms with typing mistakes to search products, and including these terms in product names is unwanted, Garazd Creation offers the Product Search by Synonyms app. This app allows you to add search synonyms to your products that are not visible to customers. The app link is in the description. Advanced Matching. Advanced Matching optimizes your meta ads by providing user data to Facebook. Customer information is protected by hashing according to meta requirements and is sent with product tracking data to achieve better performance. Enabling advanced matching for pixel events should be done on both sides, in the Meta Events Manager and in Odoo. Go to your Meta Events Manager, open the Datasets menu, and choose the Settings tab of your dataset. Enable the Automatic Website Matching option and specify what kind of customer information should be shared with Facebook. Then return to Odoo and open the Advanced Matching tab of the Facebook tracking service. Repeat the settings for the user data provided to Facebook. Use the Sale Order Partner value for the customer data, as it provides more user details in case you allow guest checkouts without registration. Advanced Settings. Product Identifier. The app uses the Product ID field as a unique product identifier. In case you require using a different value, activate Developer Mode, and on the Technical tab, specify a different product field that contains the desired identifier. For instance, let's set the internal reference field. After changing, the app sends values from this field to Meta. Please note that the specified product field should provide non-empty values and be unique for each product. Otherwise, your product tracking data can be unusable. Advanced Settings. Exclude Delivery. The next setting available for tracking services is Exclude Delivery. When this option is enabled, delivery lines from sales orders are not included in tracking data and are not sent to Meta. Testing. There are several ways to check metapixel integration. The first important point to know before testing is that the pixel script doesn't send tracking data about the website activity of internal Odoo users. Log out of the system or use a different browser. You must be a website visitor or a portal user, as this is a prerequisite for testing. Metapixel Helper. The simplest way to test metapixel integration is using the Metapixel Helper browser extension. This extension shows tracked events and event parameters sent to Meta as well. Testing with Events Manager. Another way to check pixel tracking is through Facebook Events Manager. Go to your Facebook Ads account and in the Events Manager, select your dataset. Open the Test Events tab, then in the Confirm your website's events are set up correctly section, paste your website URL and click Test Events. Your website will be opened, and all tracking events appear in the Test Events window in real time. Meta-conversions API. To connect your Odoo website with Metapixel through server-side integration, use the Meta-conversions API app from Garazd Creation. Watch our YouTube video to see how this integration works. The app and video links are in the description. Track e-commerce events on your Odoo website and provide Meta ads accurate, enhanced tracking data by using a professional solution from experts.